Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video from How to Log In. If you are wondering how you can edit your Bumble profile, then you've come to the right place. In this video we will be showing you how you can edit your Bumble profile in order to make various changes to stand out amongst the crowd. First of all, let's go ahead and open up the Bumble application. You will be shown various profiles that you can swipe right or left on. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom left corner. You will be taken into your profile page. You can either tap on Complete My Profile or you can tap on your profile picture. You will see an Edit Profile button. Just tap on this button and you will be taken into the Profile Edit screen. From this page you can add various photos onto your profile by tapping on the plus icon and adding pictures from either your Facebook, your Instagram, or your galleries. You can edit your interests by tapping on the pen icon at the right side of your interests button. Underneath the My Interests section, you will find the Profile Prompts menu. You can remove the profile prompts by tapping on the Close button at the right side of each profile prompt that you have set. In order to add more prompts, you can tap on Add a Question. From there you can select various categories and enter your answer. This prompt will be added onto your profile as well. From here you can also edit your work information and your education details. Underneath your gender and your location, you will be able to edit your physical description. You can tap on each category in order to make the necessary edit. You can also connect your Instagram and your Spotify accounts by tapping on Connect Your Instagram or Spotify button. Once you make all of the necessary edits, you can simply go back and the changes will be saved onto your profile. In order to change the application mode, you can also tap on the gear icon from your profile page at the top left corner and then tap on Choose Mode. From there you can change your active mode and then tap on the Continue button. And that is how you can edit your profile on the Bumble application. If you find this video useful, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you wish to be notified whenever we upload more useful videos. Thank you for watching.